Ladies and gentlewomen, Ivory Coast 1, Ecuador 0. What a game, bro. What a game, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let me mute this TV, bro. Crazy game, bro. Crazy ass game. Like Ecuador got like almost three, I believe, three transversal. They hit the ball like three times. They almost kill Ivory Coast, bro. They almost kill our hope. On the 89-minute Ahmad from nowhere. We had a change. They made a change, and this right back took off, started running, and then boom, become a goal. That's all we were looking for. 1-0. C'est tout ce qu'on cherchait. 1-0. 1-0, that's it. Et on a ça. 1-0, on a ça. 1-0. That's it. 1-0. That's 3 points. That's what we're looking for. You go to Germany now? Exactly. Germany, it, just draw. You draw, you got 4 points. And last game, Germany have to play so hard to beat Ecuador, to beat Ecuador. Ecuador can draw against Germany or beat Germany, you never know. But now, maintenant, tu as la chance de gagner. Tu as la chance de partir, de devenir même premier dans ton pool. Là, tu pars Germany, il ne faut pas les laisser. Tu fais draw, c'est bon. Comment cela, tu les attrapes, on les moro-chicote. Moro-chicote très bien parce qu'on sait on va les battre eux, tranquille. Mais Germany, là, c'est ça notre problème maintenant. Ça, c'est un bon match. Là, on a 3 points, 0 but marqué. Germany, ils ont 7, mais ils ont un but marqué. Voilà. Mais nous, voilà. Oh my days, that was a great game. That was a great game. So player rating, I'm gonna rate by everybody, not just like a midfield defense. Goalie, great. Africa's goalie was great. The defense, little mistake, I'll give them like total by group, I'll give them like 80. 80, no, 8 out of 10. I give 8 out of 10. They make a little mistake, two, three mistake, but 80 out of 10, I'll give them that. And then the midfield, first half midfield, Casey, Fofana, c'est une poubelle. C'est une poubelle de haut niveau. So Fofana, 6. Lui, je le rate, lui seul. Lui, je le donne 5. C'est une poubelle de haut niveau. Parce que quand on l'a changé, quand l'autre là est rentré, ça, le game, il a changé complètement. Le milieu, voilà, là, offensivement, on était là. Mais je pense que premier mi-temps, on jouait défensivement, on était là, on protégeait, voilà quoi. Maintenant, nos milieux, ils ont eu deux yellow cards, so I will give them 6. 6. But after the second half, I'll give them like 8. And then the offensive, the first half offensive, 5. 5. They have zero shot. Zero shot on target first half. Zero shot. Pepe was the worst one. So because of Pepe, you know what? 3. My bad. 2. 2. They got 2 out of 10. The first only except because I give them 2, let me give them 4 because of Jumande. Because Jumande was doing everything for the offensive line. And then when they changed Jumande, and when they changed Pepe and they changed that striker they brought in, everything changed. Le jeu, il a complètement changé. Ça a shifté de l'autre côté. On a eu poteau, on a cogné poteau, et voilà quoi. Il y avait la chance là. Là, tu savais, on pouvait marquer. Il y avait quelque chose qui était là. Tu vois? Mais depuis que Mais le premier mi-temps, ça se voit, on foutait rien. Il n'y avait rien qui était là. Il n'y avait pas, il y avait rien, quoi. On était là, on avait le ballon, mais il n'y avait rien. Zéro chat. Eux, ils ont plus de 7, 8 chats. Nous, on avait des chats, mais ça partait en l'air. Tu vois, non? C'était même pas cadré, ça partait même pas au gardien. Mais voilà, at the end of the day, we won the game. So I'm happy. Je suis très content du fait qu'on a gagné. Voilà, Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire a gagné. Qui encore? Voilà, l'Afrique, pays l'Afrique, c'est Côte d'Ivoire seulement qu'on a. Maroc 1-1, ça va. Donc, ça va là-bas, on gère bien. Donc, so far, so good. Parce que je veux tous les pays africains, except South Africa, tous les pays africains là, je veux tout le monde, on passe. Premier tour là, on va aller 9 pays. Ah, ils vont nous sentir cette année. Cette année, ils vont nous sentir. FIFA là, il va sentir l'Afrique. On part 9. Premier tour là, tout le monde passe. 9 pays africains qui sont qualifiés pour quart de premier tour. Après deuxième tour encore, peut-être 5 va sortir là, mais 5 va aller quart de finale. Là, ils sont obligés. Là, ils sont obligés. Demi-finale, ça va sortir dans notre nom. Parce que si deux pays africains se rencontrent là, un va partir anyway. Un va partir en demi-finale anyway. So, c'est pour cela que je veux premier tour là. 9 pays africains passent premier tour. Deuxième tour là aussi, si on a 5 ou 6 pays africains qui passent là, et ça va être le Moro tapé, ça va être le Moro dia, ça va être trop cool même, trop cool. Parce que là on sait, tu t'imagines, demi-finale, 2 pays africains, là on sait qu'un va aller en finale. Là on va brûler l'Afrique. Je vais mettre Almet là. Je vais allumer Almet là, je vais jeter, je vais brûler l'Afrique. Tout le continent, on va brûler tout. Voilà. I'm telling you, bro. This today game, it was a great game. It was a fire game, bro. A fire game, bro. So far, yeah, I see teams. I cannot rate Germany. Je peux pas donner un truc Germany. Dire, oh, Allemagne est bon. Mon frère, tu as joué avec un pays. Même la Guinée peut gagner l'équipe là. Même Mali ou Burkina Faso peut gagner l'équipe là que Germany a battu 7-1. Il faut vous calmer. Germany, là, on ne s'inquiète pas. Il faut vous calmer. Ils n'ont pas rencontré les vrais d'abord. Il faut vous calmer. Il faut mettre l'eau sur vous là. Voilà. Il faut mettre l'eau sur vous d'abord. Il faut se calmer d'abord. Ah là, j'ai aimé le match là. De ouf. De ouf. Maintenant, en total, I'm going to rate them totally. All of them. I give them 8. Yeah. You know what? 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10. Ivory Coast, 8.5 out of 10. We made it second. We made it. We went there. We there. We there. Oh, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. 8.5. That was beautiful. 8.5. I give them 8.5. We made it. So, yeah, what a great game. What a great game. And tomorrow, who we got? Who we got tomorrow? Tomorrow, one boy, we're going to be working, bro. Who we got tomorrow? Hey. Hey. Who we got tomorrow? Who's playing tomorrow? Egypt. Mo Salah against Belgium. Mo Salah, Mo Salah, Mo Salah. We got Mo Salah. Eh, mon pays arabe là, il va chicoter Belgique. Ça va être un match là, ça va être un match de haut niveau, c'est là aussi. 12 heures. Un match de haut niveau, c'est là aussi. Après le match du siècle, France-Sénégal, the master and his slave. Hey, le master et son gars, ils vont jouer à ça. Eh, ça va me chicoter. France-Sénégal. Et ça, c'est le match de l'année. Voilà. Après, Algérie. Et ça a chicoté, ça a chicoté. Il faut être là. Il faut être là pour ça. Il faut être là. Il faut être vivant. Il faut être vivant pour admirer. Et Dieu, il faut nous aider. Oh my God. Monday, we got Egypt. Tomorrow, Egypt, Belgium. And Tuesday, Wednesday, we got Senegal. Senegal, France. That was gonna be a bombastic game, bro. But anyway, let's be there. But and before I finish, I gotta talk about Chelsea. Cucurella is gone, so it's done. And I understand. I understand why Cucurella is done. Is gone because we got Barco. Barco can play. Barco is the left back anyway, so Barco can play as left back. I hope they don't buy no left back because we got Barco, we got Hato. You don't need to buy a left back. We don't need to buy a left back. If Malo Gusto want to leave, then you buy a right back. But we got Augusto, we got Rhys James, we got Barco, we got freaking Hato. So we only need one defender, and you let uh, Konate leave. Konate was free agent. You should get Konate. But anyway, get us a defender, and then get a striker. We only need a defender and a striker. Midfielder, we have a lot of midfielder, you know. But Badiashi got to bounce. Tozen got to bounce. Um, Tozen, Badiashi, who else we got? We need a bounce. We don't need him at all. Who else? He's on the injury list all the time. There's at least 6 people that need a bounce. You know, Pedro Neto, we keep him. It's not that bad. But Garnacho got a bounce. I don't know, maybe the coach is going to get something out of it, but Garnacho got a bounce. You know, we don't need him. He have to bounce, man. We have a lot of young players that is coming in that we need to protect, and we need to play them. They need to be in the field. So I hope something happen in the. But just let's wait. Let's wait till the World Cup is over, and then we see. Now we're seeing a lot of players coming out. Guess what? Get rid of Anzo. 110. Make it 110 million. You bought him for 100 million. Sell him for 105. Let him go. Get this kid from Lille. Get this kid from Morocco. 18 years old. You like to buy daycare. You like to buy babies. You like to buy daycare, right? Build a daycare. Get the kid. You like to buy babies. Get the kid. 18 million. Sell this guy 110 million. 100. Just sell him not to lose money, and then buy that kid. You can get him for like 50 million, 40 million, 50 million. How much you saving? You still saving a lot of money to get him. He's better than Enzo. I promise you, he's better than Enzo. The what I see he play, la manière dont je l'ai vu jouer, the way I see him, he's better than Enzo Fernandez. Better, better. Hold in midfield. Now Casado is free to do his job. The kid is there, play with Casado, 18 years old. Everything better. Hey, it is what it is, man. But Chelsea, what? Every time you talk about Chelsea, you get frustrated. Every time you talk about Chelsea, you get frustrated, man. But it is what it is. So follow, like, subscribe, support your boy. See you. Booyah.